Hello, this is Dr. Lund, your Roseville neck and back pain relief chiropractor. In this video, I want to talk about a plank, which is an exercise that you're probably aware of. Maybe you've tried them. Again, they can be very helpful for helping to improve lower back pain, because when we have a stronger core, we have better stability, which leads to pain relief. So let's just demonstrate the plank. Show you what it is, but then what I'm going to do is I want to talk through a couple keys of how to change the plank to make it more effective, and then we're going to recommend doing it for a shorter period of time, not just trying to hold it as long as you can and start to shake and things like that. So again, just with the plank, you're probably familiar with it. You're going to be on your forearms, and then you're going to plank up like this. Now you don't want to sag down, but you're going to want to be up like this, okay? So you're familiar with that part, but the things that we're going to modify or change with it, or what I would recommend, is we're going to try to make the core as tight as we can, and we're going to do it for a shorter period of time. And the way that you do that, when you're in your plank, you can kind of try to contract your quads and squeeze your glutes, and then when your forearms are on the ground like this, you're going to kind of like push them into the ground and then try to bring them back towards like your midsection or your belt. Okay, and the combination of squeezing your quads, squeezing your glutes, again with the forearms, it's into the ground, but you're going down and then trying to pull your forearms towards your belt. By doing all those three things, you will feel a noticeable increase of tightness in the abdomen and of the core. And then all we're going to do is just hold that for 10 seconds, and then you're going to stop the plank. So again, you're just going to hold that plank for 10 seconds after contracting the quads, the glutes, pulling those forearms down and back. Hold it for 10 seconds. Take a minute break. Do it again for 10 seconds, minute break. Do it again for 10 seconds, minute break. So we're going to do 3 sets of holding it just for 10 seconds with a 1 minute break in between that, and do that 3 times a week. And what this is going to do is it's going to maximally contract the core, and so we can hold it for a lot less time than trying to hold a plank for a minute or 2 minutes. And oftentimes you might actually get more benefit from doing it this way. So make that change to your planks, and hopefully what you're going to see is a difference and an improvement in lower back pain.